the appointment, confirm that, hey, we just booked the appointment. And it can even be done by the voice agent, the same things. But when you go, your customer goes in their CRM, they sees, okay, the AI has chatted with the person and it has even booked the appointment automatically. But the moment appointment is booked, the workflow, which is defined in the snapshot, is triggered. So it sends automatically the snapshot, the SMS. They see their dashboard, their CRM, their CRM is updated. Because why CRM is updated, why SMS confirmation is sent, why email notification is sent, because this is predefined in the workflow. Start the SaaS business with a Gohighlevel. I want you to, rather than setting your system and then building the things and then thinking, okay, how can I sell, and then finding the customers and then probably building the solution, why don't you run it backwards? That means right away start imagining as if, let's say, SaaSpreneur is your first goal, like acquiring 100 SaaS customers. Imagine that you have already acquired 100 SaaS customers. What does that look like? That looks like you have provided certain solution which they are very happy with, and they are very contented with paying you certain amount of money. What is the amount of money? Let's say they are ready to pay you $297 a month. 100 people, so you're making $30,000 a month, and you're paying subscription fee like $297 a month for Gohighlevel. With $297 a month of cost, you're making $30,000 a month. What is the solution would look like? Probably you're just selling, let's say, AI chatbot, or let's say you're selling AI voice agent, and it could be even a no-brainer offer. Let's say you're selling them AI automation, and let's extend certain one number ahead, that you are selling them in their minds that you are automating their business with AI enabled 24/7 in a simple layman's term. That means the AI voice agent is installed in their business, AI chatbot is installed, and all the interaction or the customer process is automated. That means customer comes in, the appointment is booked, and everything is 24/7 automatically running. They are able to see in their CRM all their customer reports, and you're only charging $297 a month. So they are like delighted to have all that feature with just paying $297 a month to you. But you are at the same time having 100 customers are delighted to be making $30,000 a month. Doesn't that look like a fair scenario? So the next question would come, how do you actually implement it? That's what I'm going to show you, exactly how do you implement this solution by running it backwards. By the way, my name is Abdullah Zahid. I have been using Gohighlevel like some way or the other linked with Gohighlevel like from early 2020s. As you can see, from early 2020s, I have been one of the posts. I have won award of the Affiliateer. I have done interviews of the CEO and the co-founder. Sean Clark's a 1-hour interview on my YouTube channel. You can watch. Another co-founder, Varun Varavan, I have done interview with. Like super amazing people these are. One of the spokesperson of Gohighlevel, Chase Buckner, I have done interview with. So it's super amazing. Everything is there. And now here comes one of the solution. Like what exactly is the solution that we are trying to deliver to the respective customer? Now I'm going to show you how does this automation look like. Imagine how do you sell those customers? Because your intention is good, you want to provide them AI automation, but can you prove to them? That's where the sale is. So you're proving to them would be build a done for you solution. And how do you build that? So this is the snapshot. Basically it's 127 snapshot set, which is AI powered. There is an AI powered script which you're going to get, which can convert any snapshot into AI powered, and it automates the entire business. Right now this is a physiotherapy snapshot, which I'm going to show you how does it automates. You can automate like there is a dentist, chiropractors, HVAC, restaurant, you name it, any of it. So this is the solution you are going to present them. This is how you're going to automate their business, and you mean it. That's how you make the sales easy. So I'm just going to play the slide, the quick video, which you are actually going to show it to them, and then I'm going to show you how do you get this. So when you start this, so as you can see, you're presenting the picture. Your customer comes in onto the website, asks, hey, tell me about your business. The AI automatically replies to them, okay, tells everything about the business. Any conversation to and fro, AI is going to handle that. But let's say they are pushing to the appointment. Great, I have an injury. I need to book the appointment. And next thing you're seeing is that AI chatbot is actually giving the dates from the calendar available, that, okay, these are the latest dates. And then the person is like, okay, I want to book it for 16th October based on their available time. It is going to book for 16th October, but before booking, it needs the information. It is asking full name, phone number, and brief description. So the customer provides, my name is like in any sequence. My name is this, my phone number is this, email is this, and I have XYZ injury. Now, the next thing that you see, the AI agent, AI voice agent, AI chatbot has actually booked the appointment, confirm that, hey, we just booked the appointment. And it can even be done by the voice agent, the same things. But when you go, your customer goes in their CRM, they sees, okay, the AI has chatted with the person and it has even booked the appointment automatically. But the moment appointment is booked, the workflow which is defined in the snapshot is triggered, so it sends automatically the snapshot, the SMS. They see their dashboard, their CRM, their CRM is updated. Because why CRM is updated, why SMS confirmation is sent, why email notification is sent, because this is predefined in the workflow. So AI is handling the conversation, booking the appointment, then workflow handles the entire inner automation. For example, in this case, the confirmation. The moment appointment is set, send internal notification, send a confirmation SMS to the customer that hey, your appointment is booked, then 24 hours before, 48 hours before, and 1 hour before. This is the snapshot folder that I'm talking about, which covers all the niche, the phone call, HVAC, physical therapy, divorce, hair snapshot, security. I mean, anything that you can think of, it's already there. Even the premium ones like the communities, coaching. And then this is the AI based script, which actually converts any snapshot into your respective AI agent. Like the AI agents are enabled. So for AI voice agent and the conversation AI, you just have to provide this script. So this script will be available with you. Just copy and paste in ChatGPT, change the niche name, for example, in this case to dentist, and just press enter. It is going to replace the entire script for the dental. Let's say for the chiropractor, you just change the name to chiropractor. It is going to give you chiropractor. Just copy it and paste it in the respective AI voice agent and the conversation AI. And that's it. Bam, your entire snapshot is changed for any niche that you want. Imagine, so that's what, like, these things that you're doing is not just for the sake of it. These things are for to build that 100 SaaS customer as your first goal. And not just that, you're going to get access to this inner circle mastermind group. As you can see here, all the peoples are added with me, but not just that, private one-to-one support as well. Like this one, I add my expert, you, and the respective, like you, expert, and me will be added there. So your entire onboarding, like all the hiccups initial that you have, everything will be supported, and you will be super amazed. Like all your solution will be there. So these are the bonus, super amazing solution as I told you, and 127 snapshot plus private WhatsApp mastermind group and private WhatsApp support. So these are valued much more, but let's say $10,000 plus you're going to get. And as I showed you, like if you're providing this end solution, literally doing the favor, that's what you should be like. You should be giving far more value than you're taking. This becomes a no-brainer offer. So how do you get this bonus set, which I just told you with my personal support and the community access, is just sign up to the Gohighlevel using our link, like, because that's how we get supported, and we want to get to the leaderboard. I hope you help me with that. So just sign up with the gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid. It's a special link Gohighlevel has created. You get extended 30-day free trial apart from all the bonuses instead of 14-day free trial. But let's say you've already signed up to the Gohighlevel, so you still have option of upgrade to $297 plan or $497 plan at this link, abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. You go there, you'll find those links, and after you have either signed up or upgraded, just email me at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com or WhatsApp me here at my Dubai number. You will be delivered the entire bonus vault which I just showed you, and this is my goal, literally, guys, to outvalue you. And now I have shifted my goal that, instead of, I'm just providing the bonus, but rather than bonus, how can I put my goal to making you becoming the SaaSpreneur? That's what my goal is, because that's how, like, we should keep the goal higher up. Keep on making the goal higher up and higher up. I'll keep on finding the snapshot, keep on, the plan is to have those weekly calls within the community, those special weekly calls where everybody comes up onto the Zoom and shares what they did to acquire the next client, what they did. So imagine with that, everybody is getting through within the entire group of the same people. So guys, it is going to definitely a great journey. So that's why I want you guys to sign up using my link. And I would like to thank you pre-hand for that. And of course, my personal help, because I create the personal WhatsApp group between you, me, and my expert. So I'll be personally available for you. That's what my goal is. That not just providing these done for you solutions, but even my personal access, so that this bonus becomes a no-brainer offer. Gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, the 30-day free trial. And more than that, like, even let's say you've signed up, you don't want to upgrade or anything. Literally, this is the way, this is the mindset you need to have, that you are out delivering the solution. Imagine what the solution looks like, and then out delivering them where they are happy to get the deal, that they are literally privileged, that they are blessed, that man, this is amazing offer. That's how, like, literally the good things that we do in the world sustain, they stay, and they expand. Wish you guys all the best. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid, and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with a Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahi.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support, which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahi.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised. And also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
Just to further add to it, that you are even going to get access to this special mastermind group which I have created for the affiliate inner circle. That means all these people will be there in the personal WhatsApp group, so that it's easily accessible. Easily anybody can type in their content, whatever that they feel like, and it's only available for the inner circle affiliates. The goal of this group is that people with similar goals move together, sharing each other the strategies and promoting each other to get the client, the best of the strategies that work to get the client. So basically this group especially for progressing towards getting the client, becoming that next SaaSpreneur. Having said that, this is apart from the 127 snapshot that you're going to get. This is apart from the one-to-one personal support that you are going to get with our expert and the WhatsApp group that I'm going to form. Now, the question is whether somebody who has who has already joined the Gohighlevel, can they have access to all these things and access to the mastermind group? Answer is yes. All you have to do is just enter our code AI bonuses into AI employee. How do you go there? Like, just go to your agency, click settings, click AI employee, manage offers, and then within field FP reference is equal to, just put AIBONUSES, AI bonuses, click apply, take the screenshot and send us to abdullah@abdullahzahi.com. We will ensure to deliver you the entire snapshot set, the AI powered scripts to convert all the snapshot into AI powered, and the mastermind group access. And most importantly, you have access to me once you find your first AI employee client. I wish you guys all the best. See you there.